Good morning, students. I am Abrar Ali. On the behalf of Modi Children High Secondary School, I teach you Animal Husbandry, class 12th. We already finished our two chapters, first and second, and now today we start chapter 3, medicines and equipments used in animal treatment. As we know that medicines and equipments also used in the field of medical science in humans. Okay, now this chapter we discuss the various equipments and medicines which are used in especially animal treatments. Okay, so let's we start. And as you see in your mobile screen, there is a nice picture. Okay, so I give you a suggestion, you take a screenshot and write the notes. Okay, so let's start. Identification and use of useful medicine, local anesthetics. Okay, so you are well known about the anesthetics are used to some medical purposes. Okay, by the anesthesia, animal are animals and use this medicine for surgery. Okay, so local anesthesia provide pain control in a specific location on the body. Example include an epidural before surgery on a rear limb, or a nerve block before the tooth erection, and different other purposes for surgical uses. Okay, the local anesthesia prevent the pain impulses and being read by the brain. With animal, local anesthesia may provide pain control but may not be sufficient to keep the animal still during the procedure. In these cases, a sedative or general anesthesia is typically needed in a conjunction with the local anesthesia. For certain procedure, local anesthesia may be used in an effort to decrease the amount of general anesthetic needed and speed up recovery time. Okay, so this is the simple notes about the local anesthesia. And second one is sedative and tranquilizer. So what is sedatives and tranquilizer? So sedatives and tranquilizer are used to relax an animal for process such as trimming nails, taking x-rays and drawing blood. These medications are injured either into a muscle or directly into vein. Sedative and tranquilizer are commonly used in combination as pre-anesthetic before general anesthesia to relax and sedate the animal. Okay, so remember, you have to prepare your notes about all chapters in animal husbandry and crop production. I'll just teach you two subjects, crop production and animal husbandry. Okay, so my suggestion is this, you have to prepare your own notes. Okay, I just simply explain what about the chapter and what is the topic which we are studying. Okay, and you have to take a screenshot. Okay, so these screenshots help you to prepare your notes. Okay, and next is sedative analgesic. Analgesic is some analgesics also provide analgesia, pain relief. So analgesic is what? Analgesic is the medicine which is used to pain relief. Okay. Among these are several short acting drugs which have reversal agent and quick bring an animal back to an alert state. An example of Domitor, medetomidine hydrochloride. Okay. If there will be a question come in an exam, name one analgesic, so note down this important medicine. This is here, it is written. This is okay. This is the very important name of the analgesic which is used in animal. Okay, or animal husbandry, which is used as a sedative and analgesic in dogs. It is used for minor procedures that do not require muscle relaxation, such as the removal of porcupine quills. The medicine is to quietly rest for 10 to 15 minutes while the drugs take effect. Okay, so this is the sedative analgesic. Next one is general anesthesia. General anesthesia are used when, remember, we have to read first one is local anesthesia and this is general anesthesia, both are different. Okay, so firstly in exam if question is will come, so you have to read properly local anesthetics or general anesthetics. Okay, so now this time we understand general anesthetics. General anesthetics are used when an animal need to be unconscious and unaware of what being done for the extended period of time, such as for surgery. General anesthetic block the pain sensation, prevented movement during surgery, and usually cause muscle relaxations. Thiopentol is an ultra short acting barbiturate which is used for inducting of general anesthesia or for every short procedure, such as suturing a small wound or removing porcupine quills. It is injected directly into the vein and unconsciousness occur within a minute. Okay, so why we give anesthesia to animal? So remember, anesthesia provide unconsciousness of animal. Okay, and after the unconsciousness we take some procedure, short procedure or long procedure by the general anesthesia. Okay, stitching and some other medicinal uses. Okay, so this is general anesthesia. And next, come to the next page, page number 41 of this book, and you have animal husbandry textbook. Okay, it is compulsory for good study. Ketamine and telazol are another injectable anesthetic used for restraint or short procedures such as draining and abscesses. Telazol is used in cats and dogs. Okay, so now here is you have to mention which anesthesia is used in cat and dog. So this is telazol. Okay, this is the very common anesthesia which is used in dogs and cats. Ketamine is used in cats. Okay, so in cats we use two anesthesia, telazol and ketamine. It provide no muscle relaxation. Ketamine and telazol functions differently than most other injectable anesthetics. They produce dissociative anesthesia, which means the animal is not aware of what is going on. Okay, the animal's eyes remain open and reflexes and generally present. Okay, so now here is also a question is arrived: which anesthesia is used to remain used in animal in which eyes remain open? So write down what are these anesthesia. These anesthesias are ketamine and telazol. Okay, when using a general gas anesthetic, the animal is given an induction agent such as thiopentol to bring him to unconsciousness. Thiopentol, another anesthetic medicine. Then the gas anesthetic is mixed with oxygen in the anesthesia machine and is administered by a face mask or endotracheal tube placed in the pet's trachea, means windpipe. Trachea, you know about the trachea, it is very important pipe by which oxygen is rushes into the lungs. Commonly used general gas anesthetic include isoflurane and halothane. They are both rapidly taken up the eliminated from the body by the lungs. Isoflurane or isoflurane has become the anesthetic of the choice in veterinary medicines, and it is used is especially indicated for the pregnant animals. Okay, so this is also a very important point, which anesthesia is used in pregnant animal. So this anesthesia is used in pregnant animal. Okay, isoflurane and halothane. Common instruments and equipments used in dairy farm. Okay, now we discuss about which instruments or those instruments and what are the instruments which is used in dairy farm. Dairy farm, it is related to milk production and milk product. Okay, so various instruments which we used in dairy farm. Okay, so we have to discuss one by one. Okay, not all, some of them. Okay, so common instruments or equipments used in dairy farm. The following instruments are very essential for the routine and day-to-day activity of the farm for welfare of the dairy animal. One is anti-cow kicker, body brush, branding iron. Okay, there are lot of equipments. In this book we are studying 1 to 24. Okay, now firstly we discuss about anti-cow kicker. Okay, kicker. So this instrument is used to stop kicking by the cow. Which one? Anti-cow kicker. Okay, cow commonly kicks forward and out to the side. Anti-cow kicker may be in the form of iron chain or double simple rope. Anti-cow kicking device is used during milking, in the barn, or cleaning or examining of the udder on cows that are chronic kickers. The device is put just above the hock joints. In class 11th, we have to discuss about the body part of the animals: cow, buffalo, goat, dog, pig. Okay, so you are know about hock joints. Okay, so in joints between tarsal bones and labia or the Achilles tendon region, this restricts the lifting of legs and prevents kicking. Sometimes the tail is also tied with the kicking device to prevent eye injuries when milking and examining the animal. Okay, this is very important tool. Unfortunately, there is no diagram available in this book of anti-cow kicker. Okay, in this book there are some very important instruments which is used in very commonly. Okay, second is body brush. It is used in brushing stiff and dust and dirt. Okay, so brushes are brush made up stiff biofiber. Brushes are used to remove the dirt and loose hair from the body and generally used for grooming of body coat. Body brush is made up of stiff bristles and dandy to increase body flow. Okay, next are branding iron. The branding iron instruments are made up of iron metal for easy transfer of heat both in hot and freeze breeding. Okay, freeze branding. The branding iron consists of a particular number of, after heating and freezing, applied to the proper site. In hot, branding is applied for 3-5 seconds, and in cold or freeze branding for 20 to 30 seconds. Fourth one is Burdizzo castrator. Castrator is a very common instrument which is used to castration in male. Okay, so Burdizzo castrator is used to castrate the male calves not required for breeding purposes. Okay, and next is casting rope. Casting rope are used to restrain the animal for health checkup or any surgical procedure or for making, marking, etc. Cotton rope is generally preferred as it is easy to make knots. Chaff cutter is used to daily for cutting the fodder into smaller pieces. The fodder with thick stem are not generally preferred. Cutter may be handed operated. Sorry, I missed the line. Okay, the fodder with a thicker stem is not generally preferred by the animal. So chopping improves the acceptable of fodder. Chaff cutter may be handed open manually, chaff cutter, or operated by the electricity. Okay, both type. Dehorner. Okay, it is used to dehorn or removing horn. Dehorner are used to remove the horn bird in young cattle. The dehorner may be electrical or scoop or barn dehorner. Barren type dehorner used to cut the horn bird manually, whereas electrical dehorner, the base of the bird is destroyed by high temperature. Electrical dehorner is better than the barren type dehorner as farmer one produces less pain. Drenchers are used to giving nutrients and medicines directly down the throat and into the stomach of the animal. Illustrator are the instrument used to place the rubber band over the tail for docking purposes or base of the scrotum for the castration. The rubber band stops the blood flow to the distal part and casting it to die or fall off. Okay, so dear students, today we complete chapter, and we are not completed the chapter. We just discussed about the common instruments and equipments up to 9 illustrator. Okay, and some other instruments also remaining here. We discussed these remaining chapter or remaining instruments in next video lecture. Okay, till then, goodbye, and remember, you have to complete your own notes. Okay, and take it screenshot and complete your notes. Okay, till then, goodbye.